So another bit of news here is Google November 2023 reviews update has finally finished rolling out now. And this update has been rolling out for far longer than any other update that I can remember. This has been rolling out for the past 29 days. But according to Google, this is the last announced update, or the last update that Google is ever going to announce for its reviews algorithm. And so there's not going to be more reviews updates announced by Google. So any updates that will be made to the review system is going to be made in real time. Now that could be for better or for worse. I think it's probably going to be for worse, especially for us SEOs, because it's going to be very hard to figure out exactly what Google is doing and when Google is doing what and in what industries. And usually these reviews updates are industry specific, and they're not necessarily a broader update that affects all websites. And so this will be the last time Google will confirm an update to the review system or algorithm. They have said, and I quote, "We no longer will begin pre-guiding notifications to improvements to our system." The company said there were a total of 8 updates that were announced, starting from April 2021 right up to 2023. Also, this is a global update, so this is for languages: English, Spanish, German, Italian, French, Indonesian, Russian, Dutch, Portuguese, and Polish. And what exactly has changed with this reviews update is still not very clear. I'm not seeing a lot of fluctuation in terms of rankings with the review websites that I manage. But for one thing I can tell you is Reddit has made it to the top of SERPs for a lot of review type keywords. So if you're looking for the best shoes, the best shoe brands, the best toothbrush, the best electric toothbrush, the best stroller, in most cases you're gonna see Reddit in SERPs. And I'm gonna make a separate video about how Reddit is now bringing in more traffic from Google than ever before, and it has not lifted a finger to do anything about it or to do anything to merit it. And a lot of the stuff on Reddit is just affiliate marketers posting links. And so why does Google see that as being relevant and helpful traffic, and how the reviews update has actually failed website owners, and in particular it has failed people who search Google for reviews about products? So let me know in the comments below how you think this reviews update has affected the search as a whole, and why do you think that Reddit is now the #1 ranking website whenever you search for a reviews related keyword. And hold that thought, because I have a video coming up about Reddit and the reviews update. Let me know in the comments below what do you think of the update. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.